Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to apply your LipSense by SeneGence. Today I'm using the shade Blue Red and we like to give a quick shake before applying just to ensure all the pigments are mixed nicely together. The first thing I like to do is line the outline of my lips with the back of the pointed tip wand. This helps me stay in line, otherwise I can end up with a fairly messy application. Once happy with your outline, it's then time to go ahead and do your 3 very thin layers working in one direction. This helps ensure that you don't wipe the product back off by going back and forth because it is a liquid product. So 3 very thin layers, here we go. Once you have applied your 3 very thin layers, it's then time to wait for it to dry. It takes about 30 seconds and then you can apply your protective gloss. We encourage glossy gloss for our first time users as it contains the highest shea butter content and therefore it is so moisturizing. The reason why we said to use 3 very thin layers is because if you apply it too thick, it can get cakey and it will crumble off throughout the day. So just remember that key tip, applying 3 very thin layers and working in one direction. Your gloss can be applied in any which way you like, backwards and forth, because once the product's dry, it doesn't matter. And then all you need to do through the day is hydrate and protect your color with your gloss, and you can do that without a mirror. You can just lather that stuff straight on, and as you can see, the product does not transfer once it's dried. Once on, it's staying there and not going anywhere. And that is why all of us use LipSense by SeneGence. And I'm just going to do a really quick smudge test for you guys. So I have a clean tissue. And after blotting it, it is still clean. And that is why all of us use LipSense by SeneGence, because it really does what it says it should. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you found this application tutorial helpful. Bye!